Man. What's up, everybody? It's your boy Q, you know who, and I am sick in another damn video again, man. Guys, I have been sick for the last 2 weeks off and on, and so the last video y'all saw when I took Red on a 12-hour road trip to Louisiana for Christmas, that's the last video I made, because as soon as we got back home, I got sick again. So it's been crazy, man. I don't know what it was, what it is. It was crazy because during Christmas time, I was doing okay. I was laughing, I was feeling good. I had got sick like a few days before Christmas, so went to the doctor. They gave me some meds and I was good to go. Started getting better. We got back home Thursday night. Friday and Saturday, we didn't do anything. We just stayed in the house, slept. I was feeling fine. Sunday night is when whatever it was came back stronger. So, which was weird because I wasn't doing much. So Sunday night came back strong on Monday. A guy went to the gym. If you follow me on Instagram, you saw that. If you don't, I'll post it for you. Got to work Monday after the gym, and I just started feeling like crap. It was basically the same symptoms I had before, and I think they just came back stronger. I'm not sure, man. I don't know if I completely healed. Maybe the travel and all that kind of did me back. But anyway, so I have been sick since Monday. Today is Sunday, and it's almost been a week. I have not been outside since Monday. It's been a week, and I have not drove Red since Monday. And that's not because I have another car. She is my daily driver, and I just have been sick. She has not been started. So the intro that's there, I was just basically walking around checking to make sure everything's okay. I have not been out here since Monday, and it is Sunday, so it's almost been 6 days. And as I just noticed, one of my 3 Raptor lights, one of them is out, so I need to take it back to Car Toys to get that, let them redo the connection or whatever. But anyway, man, so out there right now, I'm just literally driving around my parking lot, just driving her to kind of just let the fluids and everything flow. I mean, 6 days isn't a long time, but I didn't want to let it sit any longer than that. I was thinking maybe me getting outside, getting some fresh air may be good for me. I don't know, I picked the wrong day, it's kind of windy. But anyway, yeah, man, it's been crazy. So hopefully whatever I got is I am feeling better, but hopefully whatever I had is almost done, because I felt like I had razor blades in my throat when I swallowed. Every time I felt like something was cutting my freaking throat. Worst feeling. But anyway, you know, since I'm out here, I did want to do a quick video, and it's very quick. I won't have to do much, because it's just going to involve some of the trunk. So if you didn't watch the video when I took Red on a 12-hour road trip, my MPG was of course one of the subjects I wanted to cover, because I was curious how she would do. Well, I found a discrepancy with the computer in what the hand calculation was reading. So the hand calculation was reading 13.2 MPG, right? The computer was reading like 13.9, so it's off by like 0.7 MPG. Guys, people give me crazy looks just driving around in a circle. Might go park here in a second. I basically wanted to correct that issue, and there's a video online. Again, shout out to Wicked, I think it's Wicked F150. He did a video on this, and so I figured I would share that on my channel as well, share it with you guys so you can see. So basically you can correct your MPG, and so super easy, doesn't require much on your behalf. It does require some work on your behalf, not much. Basically what you have to do is take your hand calculated MPG and divide that by what the computer says your MPG is, and that's going to give you a specific number. And I'm gonna park before I get into this, and that way I can just kind of be steady and sitting. So let me just go ahead and park really quick, just to kind of reiterate what I just said. So what you're going to need first is you're going to need to hand calculate your MPG. And to do that, only thing you have to do is, so you go drive how far you want to drive, right? I would probably drive a few days or something like that. So those miles you drive, you're gonna divide that by the amount of gas it takes to fill back up, right? So hopefully I explained that. My example, I filled up my car to go to Louisiana. I drove 264.8 miles, and to fill it back up to full took me exactly like 20.075. So I just did 20 gallons to fill back up. So I took 264.8 and divided that by the 264.8 miles, 100 miles, how many miles I drove, divided that by 20 gallons, and they gave me hand calculated MPG of 13.2. I'm just gonna say 0.2 because the system only shows 1 decimal. So 13.2 is hand calculated. However, my computers were showing, the system of the computer was showing 13.9 MPG, right? So to get the number you're going to need, you're gonna take your hand calculated and you're gonna divide that by what your computer said. So in my scenario, it was 13.2, right? Because that's what I hand calculated, divided by what the computer said, which was 13.9, which gave me 0.952 or something like that. But the number in the computer that you're gonna change is in thousands. So you just time that number by 1,000. So my number came out to 952. So that's the number you're gonna need to change it. So once you get all that data, I'll go ahead and show you the next steps. The first thing you wanna do, I'm going off what F150 said, and this is for key only, not push to start. If you want to push to start, go to his channel, Wicked F150. I'll put them right there for you guys so y'all can go check it out. So basically what you wanna do, you wanna hold the OK button. So you're just gonna hold it. You didn't say how long, I'm just gonna hold it for about 10 seconds, right? Hold it for 10. Then you're gonna put your key in, the key, and you're gonna continue to hold it. So I'm just gonna put it to the on position and then turn it all the way on, just the on. And I'm continuing to hold it until boom. Engineering test mode engage, right? Not sure if y'all can see that. So needles and everything shaking. So what you're gonna do is just hit OK. And we're gonna go look for the AFE bias option. So we just go keep hitting OK till we get to the level, the menu that we need. And literally guys, I'm just clicking OK. So we're looking for AFE bias. I'm not messing with any of this crap. Don't mess with it, you're gonna break something. Here, start slowing down a little bit. Nope, 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 nope. There it is. AFE bias, you see it there. That number, see it says 13.9 1000. So we need to change that. Here it said okay to adjust, but mine didn't. So my number, as you saw, was 952. So I just pressed my left arrow, as you can see, and it changed the number. So we're gonna go to 95, change this to 952, right? So let's go to 952. Boom. And that's it. I'm gonna kind of zoom the screen so y'all can see that. Hopefully the sun's not blocking it. So I changed it to 952. And sorry, I am sweating already. So he said how you save it, you just literally cut the car off, take the key out, and it should be saved. So, and I think that's it. So let me just go back through and check it to make sure it's saved. So as you can see, mine's reset and it did not save. So let's try it again. I'm just pressing that. You may have to press OK. So let's do this. 952 was my number. And then let's hit OK. Maybe that changed it. So let's turn it off. Come out of the exit the menu, turn it off. And he said boom, and it should be saved. So let me get all the way out the vehicle. I can unlock and do it again. Okay guys, so I got out the truck, got back in, and it looks like it, yep, boom, it saved. So, as you see there now, it says 952, 13.2, and it is saved. Hopefully, we are now good to go, as you can see. Again, what I did to save it, after I moved it to the number I wanted, I hit OK, and it looks like it saved it. Got out, locked the doors, got back in, and it looks like it's good to go. Hopefully I ain't messed up nothing. And but hope y'all enjoyed the video. If you like it, man, go ahead, give it a thumbs up. Again, that shows YouTube it's a good video. Like, share, and subscribe. If you haven't and you just stumble across this video, man, come on, come subscribe, man. Your boy's sick out here recording videos. So let's go ahead and turn this off, actually. Out here sick recording videos. So y'all come kick it with me, man. And we'll catch y'all on the next one. And y'all have a blessed day. Peace.